Hi, so welcome you to this SQL Server Express localdb series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to the automatic instance of localdb using Azure Data Studio. So to connect to the automatic instance of localdb, you can this connection string. So let's open the Azure Data Studio. So I type Azure Data Studio. If you haven't installed the Azure Data Studio, so you can install it. I will put the link to install the Azure Data Studio in the description. So I'll open the Azure Data Studio. So in there is a button for new connection. I'll click it, and there's a two options for input the connection details to connect to the automatic instance. So first I will show you how to connect using the connection string that already show you in the document of Microsoft for the local DB. So I copy the connection string and I will paste it in the connection string. So then I don't change other configurations, I just connect. Then you can see that the instance is connected successfully, and you can also see the databases as well. So there's another way for you to connect to the automatic instance of localdb in the Azure Data Studio. So I just delete this connection and I perform the other method. So to do that also you have to click this new connection, and this time I use the parameters method to connect to the local DB. So for the server name I uh, paste this. So you also have to do that because most probably your automatic instance name also be this uh, MS SQL local DB. So just for check, we'll uh, open the command prompt and we'll use SQL local DB utility for viewing the details of SQL local DB. I use the info command and it shows that SQL MS SQL local DB. That's the automatic instance, and this project models is a named instance that I have previously created. The first one is the automatic instance. So I have correctly inserted the data, so I don't change other configurations. I just click connect and it also successfully connected. And if you open these databases, you can view the databases as well. So that's how the process is going. So in this way you can connect to the database and do database management in Azure Data Studio as well. So I hope this is an insightful content, and we'll again meet with another insightful content. Till then, thank you. Bye.